Okay, people of the South, my name is Israel Matseke Zulu, aka GPmaorange, the ghetto professor himself. Allow me to introduce my guest today. How are you?
I'm good, and you?
What's your name?
Anita Ranch.
Anita Ranch. SJ Afrikaner or just Mlungu? English or Afrikaans?
Afrikaans.
Or both? Or Afrikaans? Where do you come from?
Originally born in Newcastle, KZN.
Oh, Newcastle.
Yeah, KZN girl.
Oh, where? Osizweni? Ematateni?
I don't know where Newcastle.
Which town there?
I don't know.
Oh,
Newcastle.
just Newcastle.
Yeah.
Newcastle.
Yeah.
Oh, there's Osizweni, there's Ematateni, what was those small townships? Yeah, I've hustled a lot there in Newcastle. You know the place called Cricket Yard?
Yes, I've been there.
You've been there?
Yes.
You've DJed there?
Yes.
Okay, so when did you start doing the DJing?
10 years ago.
10 years ago. Oh, now it's 2024. We're talking 2014.
Yes.
Or it's 2024. It's 10 years experience. What are the challenges being a DJ? A female DJ?
Wow. I think being a female DJ, well, being male or female in the industry, it's tough for everyone.
Yeah.
I think there's a lot of DJs now compared to when I started DJing.
Yeah.
But I've always managed to keep my niche about my brand.
Yeah.
I'm the only Afrikaans piano DJ, and I'm a good DJ.
Yeah.
Also the fact that I started 10 years ago with your commercial house music, your Heavy K, Black Motion, Prince KB.
Yeah.
So I do a lot of those instrumentals and type of sounds in my piano set.
Yeah.
So the struggles, I think it's just you have to be a one-man show. You have to know how to DJ. I have to know how to market yourself.
Yeah.
Social media,
PR,
booking manager.
Yeah.
You have to do everything.
So it was your dream from school?
No, I wanted to be a model.
Okay.
And typical like Afrikaans girl, that you want to be in the modeling industry.
Yeah.
And I've always resonated more with African people, even in my Afrikaans high school.
Yeah.
So, I tried to suppress that part of me because a lot of my peers and friends in school were not happy with me being friends with some of the African kids in our school.
Yeah, I was going to ask that based from your parents' perspective.
Yes.
Did they like what you chose?
Not in the beginning, no.
Not in the beginning. Because I feel that maybe you were like embarrassing the family.
Yes.
As a white girl.
Yes. Because
going for DJing or modeling, that's cheap for a white person. Maybe,
well, not really the modeling side.
Yeah.
Because I did like beauty pageants since I was small.
Yeah.
But then I stopped doing that. Going into high school, I actually ended up dating like one of the black kids in the
black
school.
Guys, yeah.
So that was where the trouble started with the whole.
You're a problem child, yeah? You are causing havoc in the family.
Yeah, so then I tried to shut that part down.
Yeah.
And I was just doing modeling. I dated an Afrikaans guy, and then unfortunately this guy passed away.
Hey, sir.
And then I hit up my African friend from school.
Yeah.
And he's actually one that introduced me to like the African side of Kempton Park, because I just knew the white side.
Okay.
You know, the Glen Marais
Yeah.
and that. So I didn't know there's like a Kempton Park CBD with the innocent Chisanyama.
Yeah.
So we started
Yeah.
hanging out there every
Yeah,
weekend,
yeah.
and that's how I got into house music. But yeah, the family was, we didn't even get invited to weddings. Like,
Yeah.
because now my blood is dirty.
Yeah.
But then
Whoa.
eventually it just shows you that when you believe in what you do
Yeah.
and you believe in Ubuntu and
Yeah.
you live Ubuntu,
Yeah.
people eventually catch on. I have the most beautiful mixed race daughter,
Yeah.
and everyone loves her, and my mom and everyone, even my 92-year-old grandmother
Yeah.
has overcome
Yeah.
her.
So what changed the mindset of the parents?
I think it's just, unfortunately, these things come with success.
Yeah.
So you'll always be the black sheep in the family until you have the success that comes with it, and then people start catching on and saying, oh, she's not crazy, or oh, she, she's doing well for herself.
Yeah.
So I think it comes with both that, and then you just sticking to what you believe in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you live in Captain Park?
In Boksburg.
Oh, in Boksburg.
But I grew up in Kempton Park.
Oh, you grew up in Captain Park.
Yes. So we moved from Newcastle.
Yeah.
To Kempton Park when I was around 5.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'm pretty much born and raised in Kempton.
You have kids?
One daughter.
Mixed blood?
Yes.
Oh, I think maybe it's a beautiful kid, that one.
She's so cute.
Okay. So, I see now there's a lot of female DJs. But 10 years back or 14 years back, we didn't have much. But now I can see there's anyone is jumping into the industry, wanna become a DJ. I see pairs of twins. There's many twins in the DJ world. It is not difficult to make money.
I think it is difficult. You have to build a brand for yourself.
Yeah.
So, I mean, it's beautiful that there are so many people pursuing their things, but I think in the long run, the people that have a long-lived career are the people that love what they do and take it serious. So, unfortunately, some people are influencers that just try and jump on the DJing thing and do the
There's
record.
a difference between being an influencer and a perfect candidate or for particular department. So how did you brand it yourself? How did you build your brand?
I think it's been such a natural process because I actually started DJing in Tembisa.
Okay.
When I started my career practicing.
Busy corner, so.
What was that place called, bro? I can't even. It's some dodgy.
Okay.
That's how I met our friend here.
Okay.
Just some dodgy. The place next to Busy Corner. It was like this dodgy tavern. Can't remember what it was called.
Caprivi.
Was it?
I think the famous place in Tembisa was Caprivi, but he passed on.
Yes, Caprivi, the one next to Caprivi.
There's a double story.
Yes, and then there's like a small Nyana tavern.
Yeah.
So I was playing there a lot.
Yeah, Rafili.
Yes.
Rafili. Yes. My friend. Rest in peace, Rafili.
Oh, shame, man. It was.
Yeah, no, it's no more. I used to hang around there.
Yeah, so I used to play there like every weekend, just toning in on my skills, timing, beat matching.
Money or no money,
no,
just
200 or 6-pack.
Yeah.
So played on like CDJ 100s, 200s.
Okay.
And then from there, like I just the hashtag that came with my name that people branded me with was Kasi Malungu.
Okay.
And I
Kasim Lu.
Yes, because I'm the Malungu
in
DJ.
The township.
Yes.
Kasim Lu.
Yes. So then, eventually, I did use that tag for a few years, but then eventually.
Then you rebranded yourself.
Yes, to Kasi DuchAz.
What is the meaning of DuchAz?
So that it's someone of authority. So I'm the Duchess of DJing, like in Kasi. Yes.
It's someone who has an authority.
Yes, like the Duchess of Cambridge, the Duke and the Duchess.
If they say, I'm a Duchess of acting.
No. So Duchess, you're the Duke. Duke is male. Duchess is female.
Oh, Duchess.
Yes.
Oh, male it's?
Duke.
Duke.
The England titles.
Yeah.
The Queen of England.
Oh, the Iron Duke. Oh, that's why we have Iron Duke.
Yes.
The owner of Orlando Pirates. It's Iron Joke. Or you are a joke of whatever that you are doing.
Yes, so I'm the Duch'az of.
Oh, you are the Duch'az of the DJs.
Yes.
Okay, do you produce music?
Yes, I've released.
Do you know how to do the stuff there by the computer, create your own?
Well, I'm busy learning.
Okay.
But with how I've built my brand, a lot of producers have approached me for us to release music together.
Okay.
But this year I've been in studio learning, doing my input in the songs that I'm releasing and stuff like that.
Because I know DJs do sometimes have the compilations.
Yes.
They have their own music that they sell and they DJ at the same time. If you have to advise the future female DJ who is white, what will you say?
Start earlier. I feel like I started late in my life because I was scared of, but I think we've grown as a country for us to start when you are now 12 in high school because we also have technology now. Other than that, I don't think it's a race thing. I don't like putting the race thing on it because sometimes I feel like I have to be so apologetic about my success, because I'm white and I'm tapping into, a black dominated, male dominated industry. But I think that's also what makes me unique. And try and stay independent. I literally do my own bookings. I do my own PR. The only thing I don't do is my road management. So I have someone that drives me.
Okay.
Just try and learn as much about the industry from all angles. I do my own artwork on some of my songs, my singles. So just try and be creative and own your power. Don't sleep your way to the top.
So which lineup, the heaviest lineup you've ever featured?
Oh jeez, plenty. I'm actually going to Tanzania next week. It's my first one there. I've done Zambia with Mafiki Zolo. I've done Bali. I did Bali last year. I did Malaysia last year. Lesotho this year with some of like the biggest Lesotho artists in Maseru. Then local gigs, the Kings, Maporisa, Java, Big Zulu,
Kings.
Everyone, I'm there.
Piano harp.
Yes.
Yes. So who's your favorite DJ?
I'm actually more of personally when it comes to my what I listen to apart from when I DJ, because you can't be pianoing 24/7, no one can do that. So I love hip hop.
Okay.
So currently there's a boy called DJ Yamang from Mamelodi. He's the best upcoming best hip hop DJ ever. And then lately I've actually discovered I think he's from Alex, Marcus Harvey. He does R&B vibe, but he has Zulu in it, and it's just amazing. And Touchline as well. He's really good. So I'm more of a hip hop girl actually.
The day you will say, I've made it, where will you be?
Wow. As humans, and I think you can relate to this, is you think you've got this goal in your head, and then you get there and then you realize there's still 10 mountains that you need to climb. So I think it's such a personal growth thing, because me doing this would have been, an interview with you 5 years ago would have been me making it, right? But now it feels like it's such a natural process, and I've earned it to be here in this space. But geez, if I can I always tell myself 10 gigs a week. And I still have a day job, by the way. I'm a bookkeeper. So I think the day I can
you're a bookkeeper?
Yeah.
What is a bookkeeper?
Accounting.
Oh, you're an accountant.
Well, bookkeeper, yes.
Bookkeeping.
So
records.
Capturing financial records.
Maybe in the company.
Yes.
You keep their books. Okay, so how do you mix the two? Bookkeeping and DJ?
So bookkeeping Monday to Friday 7 to 4, and then DJing from 4 p.m. until whatever time. I can finish a gig. I can get back from Limpopo at 4 a.m. and 7 o'clock I'm at work. Yeah.
You're the hard worker, né? Dat ons biggie Afrikaans praat. Dat ons biggie Afrikaans praat. Met Afrikaans. Ik zoek dat je moet praten met mensen. Hoe moet hulle maak in die leven?
Is this a first that he's doing the interview in Afrikaans?
Yes.
Okay, ek's baie bly ek's die eerste een om.
Yeah, send a message to the youth. Yeah?
Okay.
Send a message to the youth, what to do, what not to do, how to grow themselves, you know, focus, etc., all that stuff. Met Afrikaans.
Wow. This making me like, the thing is, I don't even speak that much, like...
Yeah, I want you to speak that now.
Okay, ek dink die jong mense van vandag moet van jongs af gefokus wees en nie te veel partytjies, alcohol te vroeg in die lewe begin nie. Dis beter om te belê in jou skills. Ek weet nie wat 'n skills in Afrikaans nie. But you get what I'm saying.
Oh, skills met
Afrikaans. Like
Afrikaans is a soort Italië. Dat hoekom dat nie 'n woord.
Daar is actually there's a
ander woord hulle gevat by die English. Toe hulle gebruik dit in Afrikaans. Daar's nie skills met Afrikaans. Skills.
Nee, daar is 'n woord vir skills, maar ek weet nie wat dit is.
Oh, daar is 'n woord.
Ja. Ek kan nie onthou. Ek het nou die dag geleer daar's 'n Afrikaanse woord vir helikopter. Do you know what it is? Skroef aangedrewe vliegmasjien.
Is a great Afrikaans parade manje. Thina sesidizi kancane. All right, Anita DJ Dutchlands.
Kasi DuchAz.
Kasi DuchAz.
Yes.
But me, I'll go for Mlungu Kasi.
Why? I feel like I've outgrown it, and everyone can see. Like, what's the point?
Yeah, but it's a good name, the one you have. And then let's talk about future plans.
Yes, so I've got 2 singles lined up for. Hopefully, we'll be releasing one this year and then one early next year.
Yeah.
And then just gigging.
Yeah, just gigging.
Yeah, just building my brand.
Keep going, keep moving.
Yes.
Okay, your single will be out this year.
Yes. So I released one earlier this year called Wina.
Oh, Wina.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's like a amapiano love song.
Okay.
And then the next one is more of a street banger, like a TikTok challenge and upbeat vibe, like club banger song.
Okay.
Njalo. Yes.
Njalo.
Yes.
So when you drive here, you came alone?
Yes.
Or you've been following GPRS?
No, I obviously follow GPS.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm that girl. Even if I drive back home, I'm GPSing.
Okay.
I have no direction.
No. Thank you for having you.
Pleasure.
Thanks for coming to our podcast. Ne?
Thank you
for grazing this coach, this red coach. I'm gonna name it celebrity coach from today.
You should.
No, special coach, not celebrity. Special coach. Thank you for coming. Thank you, and we wish you good luck in everything that you do.
Thank you so much.
Your book work, your DJing, your visions. May the Lord Almighty God shower you with blessings.
Thank you so much.
And prosper.
Thank you.
And live longer.
And you too.
Thank you. Thank you very much, my dear. Thank you. GPMaorange bafethu Ghetto Professor kumhlophe like nani niyazibonela isikhathi asikho shwabene sidlo amantariana asibonane next time.